Hip flexor. Let's do some quads. So I'm going to show you a double quad, and then we're going to do a single quad. Some people don't, the quads are usually not that bad. You go to the knee, come back. I don't really feel much. So what I would do is go all the way to the side again. Now we can get into the side quad, kind of the vastus lateralis it's called, and the medialis. We can get into the inner and the outer. But that's a little more sensitive. Yeah. Well, we want pain, Janice. We want pain, okay?
If you're doing it with a smile, it's not effective.
It doesn't work. That's pretty sensitive with one leg. That's pretty sensitive.
Yeah.
There you go. Well, this will last a whole year. Today will last a year.
Good.
I think the rain's coming.
Looks like it, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, God. I think it's called rain. Oh, well. I'm a jacket. That's rain.
Okay, if you are doing singles, go to the other side.
Oh, yeah, well,
And actually, there was another technique I didn't tell you guys, but I'm sorry. So, say you're on this quad. Seesawing back and forth is definitely another good way to really get into that fascia and break some of that scar tissue up.
That's one of the things to do in a melt method.
Okay, go back and forth. Yeah, I totally just was like, oh, that's right. I gotta tell you guys about that one.
yeah, so we practice your tape. Oh, I know what that. Yeah. Hi, it just gets so
Awesome. How's that arm, Luke? It's not easy. I know that's not easy. It's a workout.
You should get a neck strap or something.
Janice always has ideas for me. Don't you miss that look I used to give you? Don't you miss that look?
I do.
Okay, how we doing?
Yeah.